Good morning, students. Welcome back again to my channel Physics for All. Previously, we had done the numericals related to the chapter optical fiber. Again, we will continue with the numericals of optical fiber. Here are some formulas which are mentioned here. First is propagation angle, that is theta c, that is equal to cos inverse n2 by n1. Next is critical angle, phi c, that is equal to sine inverse n2 by n1. Acceptance angle, theta naught sine inverse root n1 square minus n2 square. Here the symbols have their usual meanings. Here n1 is the refractive index of the core, n2 is the refractive index of cladding. Acceptance cone 2 times acceptance angle, that is theta naught. Numerical aperture is given by root n1 square minus n2 square, and it's noted by NA. Next is fractional refractive index change or fractional refractive index difference. This is delta, denoted by delta, that is equal to n1 minus n2 upon n1, or 1 minus n2 by n1, right? So we will continue with the numericals related to these formulas one by one. So I will start from the first numerical, that is okay. This is a numerical, and our aim is to find the propagation angle. So what is given in this? What is the given? First thing is core refractive index is given 1.43, means n1 is given, right? And cladding material, refractive index of cladding material is given, that is 1.4, that is n2 is equal to 1.4. These two things are given, n1 1.43 and n2 1.4, right? Now our aim is to find the propagation angle. So what is the formula for propagation angle? Theta c is equal to cos inverse n2 by n1, right? So put the values here. Theta c, that is equal to cos inverse n2 by n1, right? I just take 1.40 instead of 1.4, right? This is same. So after solving this value is 0.979. 1.40 divided by 1.43, that becomes 0.979, right? And cos inverse of 0.979 is 11.8 degree. This is the propagation angle. This is the numerical. So find our aim is to find the propagation angle, and propagation angle is 11.8 degrees, right? Okay, next numerical is, what is the next numerical here? It is in an optical fiber. This is the next numerical. Okay, in this, what is given? The core refractive index is given. What is the core refractive index? Core refractive index is n1, that is 1.6. Cladding refractive index is given, that is 1.3, right? And what is the value of critical angle? Now our aim is to find the critical angle, that is phi c is equal to sine inverse n2 by n1. Means our aim is to find phi c right? And also calculate the value of acceptance cone. Acceptance cone means acceptance cone is 2 times acceptance angle, means our aim is to find acceptance cone, right? 2 times theta naught. Theta naught is acceptance angle. These things we have to find. First our aim is to find the critical angle. Critical angle. So critical angle is phi c. Phi c is equal to, what is the formula? Sine inverse n2 by n1. n2 is the refractive index of cladding and n1 is the refractive index of core. Okay, put these values. Sine inverse 1.3 divided by 1.6, and the net result is sine inverse of 1.3 divided by 1.6, 0.8125. Sine inverse 0.8125, and sine inverse of 0.8125 is that is 54.3 degree. This you have to find it from the log table, and this value is phi c, that is critical angle, right? Critical angle phi c. Next our aim is to find the acceptance cone. Acceptance cone is 2 times acceptance angle, right? So 2 times acceptance angle, right here, acceptance cone, that is equal to 2 times acceptance angle, and 2 of, what is acceptance angle? 2 times sine inverse this, 2 times sine inverse of root n1 square minus n2 square, right? And it becomes, acceptance cone becomes 2 times sine inverse of root n1 square 1.6 whole square minus 1.3 whole square, right? So after calculating this thing you will get 0.87. Sine inverse of 2 sine inverse of 0.87 after calculating this thing and taking square root, and rest of the result is we just take sine inverse of this thing from log table, and acceptance cone becomes 2 times sine inverse of, not 2 times sine inverse, now it becomes 60.5 degree, 60.5 degree, and 2 times, when we take twice, it becomes 121 degrees. So this is the final answer for acceptance cone, that is 121 degree. Okay. 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 Now what is given? N1 is given 1.55 and N2 is given 1.50. This is given, right? Now our aim is to find numerical aperture. Numerical aperture, that is, the formula for numerical aperture is root n1 square minus n2 square. Okay, just put the values here. 1.55 whole square minus 1.50 whole square. Okay, after putting the values you will get the final result as 0.153, right? And square root of 0.153 becomes 0.391. This is numerical aperture. And now second aim is to find acceptance angle. Acceptance angle is theta naught, and theta naught is sine inverse of root n1 square minus n2 square. This is the formula mentioned here, this one, right? So theta naught becomes sine inverse root n1 square minus n2 square, that is square root 0.153. So this means theta naught becomes sine inverse of root 0.153, that is sine inverse of 0.391, right? And sine inverse of 0.391, that becomes 23.02 degrees. Acceptance angle becomes 23.02 degrees. This you can get it from the log table, right? Okay. Next numerical, that is a fiber cable. So I should rub it. Next numerical, ये numericals important है. ऑप्टिकल फाइबर एक इतना important chapter है, इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा numericals आते हैं because the formulas are more in this chapter. That is why numericals are appears number of times, or you can say majority of the paper numerical is included from the optical fiber chapter. So next numerical is here, that is a fiber cable. So what is given in this, it is you can say a fiber cable has an acceptance angle of 30 degree. Acceptance angle is given, means theta naught is given. Theta naught is, that is acceptance angle is 30 degree. Core index of refraction, means the refractive index of core is given, that is 1.4. Then calculate the refractive index of cladding, means we have to find out n2. Formula for acceptance angle is theta naught sine inverse root n1 square minus n2 square. Okay, I just take sine to this side, right? Sine theta naught, that is equal to root n1 square minus n2 square. Scaling both sides, sine square theta naught is n1 square minus n2 square. Put the value of theta naught here and 1 here, and our aim is to find n2, that is the refractive index of cladding, right? So sine theta is 0.5, 1 by 2, 0.5 square is 0.25, right? And 1.4 square minus n2 square. Okay, after putting the values, take square root to this side, it becomes square, right? Take n2 to left hand side, take this to right hand side, n2 square becomes 1.4 square minus 0.5 whole square. Now 1.4 square minus 0.45 whole square is 0.25. Okay, after this 1.4 square minus 0.25, take square root to this side, square root of 1.96 minus 0.25, it becomes square root of 1.71, right? So square root of 1.71 is 1.308. Those facts, so the refractive index of cladding is n2, that is 1.308. Clear? Thank you very much.